You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, otherwise known as the Gospel of James. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, biblical names, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to and learn from. Protoevangelium, or the Americans say as proto, that's your American English pronunciation with a flap T that sounds like a D. So Protoevangelium, American English pronunciation, or Protoevangelium, English pronunciation. How to pronounce Protoevangelium. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.